In today's video, we are going to show you how to open an account in Webull. Now, if you're looking to start investing in stocks, ETFs, options, or even crypto, Webull is one of the most popular platforms for beginners and active traders. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to the official website, which is www.webull.com. On the top corner, you have the option to sign up using your personal or business email. You can use a phone number, but to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google account and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, after that is you need to start the application process. You will be asked to provide your full legal name, date of birth, phone number, Social Security number for US users. This is required because Webull is a regulated brokerage platform and must verify your identity. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid delays. And then click the next button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have completed all the necessary steps and met the requirements, you'll gain access to the Webull dashboard, and you can start exploring all the available tools and features. In a separate video on our channel, we will show you how to download the Webull desktop app on your PC if you want a more advanced trading experience, so be sure to check that out. But basically, that's how you open a Webull account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.